Hey everybody, I'm Travis, your official Blizzard review guy and basement hero, and welcome to another product review. Today I've got a pair of Blizzard G70 moving heads. The G70 is a full-featured LED moving head fixture, great for DJs, bands, clubs, theaters, and houses of worship. They are a real deal moving head, full of some really great features that we're going to be taking a look at. As you can see, they aren't puny in size. Weighing in at about 33 pounds, it will surely beef up the intimidation factor of your lighting rig and your roadies. So let's take a closer look. I have to start with the color LCD display. This large color display makes it easy to set DMX address, run standalone built-in programs, run manually, and adjust settings like invert, pan, and tilt. As we head to the back panel, you can see the super sturdy handles with nice grip, one on each side for lifting this pro-like fixture. On the back, we find it has 3-pin DMX in and out, an on-off switch, and the trusty PowerCon compatible power connector with a courtesy outlet to power up the next fixture in your Blizzard lighting rig. All right, now we're going to check out all the features of these G70s. So first I'm going to power them up, and I'm going to go ahead and use the courtesy outlet on the first one here to power up the second one. And we're going to get them started up and we're going to check out what these can do. So the G70 sports a really bright 70-watt CREE LED light source. It's actually 7 10-watt LEDs inside of there that make it super bright. And to kind of give you an idea of how bright, you can take a look at, right now I just have them on open gobo and a blue color on the color wheel. And to me, it just really looks so fake on camera. That's just how bright they are. And the camera starts to create this white hotspot in the center of the circles, just to let you know that's only something the camera does because it can't really capture this light very well because it is very bright. And there is a garage door behind us that I have open. So this really goes to show you how bright they are even in daylight. So if I were to close the garage door, it'd be really hard to see the different colors, so I think I'm probably going to end up leaving it open. I have the two G70s connected together with DMX, and I'm using Lucid, Blizzard's lighting control software, and I'm using the 14-channel DMX mode on the fixtures. They can also be run with 11 channels. It has a nice, smooth electronic dimmer that you can see as we light these up. Let's take a look at the built-in colors. It has a color wheel with 7 colors plus white or open. Then it also does split colors. And color rotation with variable speeds. Gobos. This moving head has not one, but 2 gobo wheels. On the first gobo wheel, there are 7 metal gobos, plus open, of course. With electronic focus, we can adjust the look and crispness of the gobos. The second gobo wheel has 4 metal gobos and 2 glass gobos. This fixture also includes Gobo Shake to add a different effect to the scene. There is also a 3-facet prism, so we can do things like this. And the prism rotates too. Let's not forget about a strobe effect that we all need. With 540-degree pan and 270-degree tilt, and 8 to 16-bit resolution, this moving head provides lots of smooth motion. All of these features are available by controlling the fixture using DMX like I've done here today, or you can operate the G70 in standalone, master slave, as well as sound active modes. The G70 is a great full-featured moving head with features that make it versatile for many applications. I hope you've enjoyed this review video on Blizzard's G70. If you liked this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up, and be sure to click subscribe for more Blizzard lighting reviews. I'm Travis, your official Blizzard review guy. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. seconds.